Right, each player gets 4, like a yellow, you can have 4, Mum can have the green or whatever. And then you slide them up, they hit the elastic bands at the other side, and then they come down to where the red part is, where the scoreboard is. Go on then. There you go, that's a 50. Now if Mum slides hers and it hits the elastic bands and it knocks yours all the way to the end where it drops in the pit, then that means that one's not counted.
Say that was Mum.
Yeah. So right, let's start the game, yeah? You've got 4 and I've got 4. So you want to go first?
Smallest first.
Oh no. Oh.
No, your practice was better.
Mum's go. Yay, we're a bit further than yours. Here, you knocked yours out of the way. Let's move in. Yay! Come on, we've got to go on the scoreboard.
We've got to win those teddies.
Come on, go.
Yeah, I was going to say, hold the game or you might slide it off the end.
Yeah!
Oh, that one doesn't count. Hold on to the game, then you're not going to slide it off the end of the table. That's it. But what? No, watch your fingers. Don't keep your fingers out of the way.
That's cheating.
Yeah, you're only supposed to get 1 goal. Ooh!
Yay! So I've already won that round because I'm on 10.
Yeah, you're the only one on the scoreboard and you've got 10.
Yeah.
Right, round 2. Mum's got a score of 10 there, so come on, you can do it, Courtney. Right, Mum's turn.
That was a lot better.
Yay, I know yours to where mine is.
You go. Ooh! Well done. Don't move on, don't touch them.
Oh, no,
Oh,
yours
Mum's
up,
just pushed
baby.
it higher up for you. That means a bigger score.
Thanks, Mum.
Whoa, you're doing really well this time.
yeah. Oh!
Oh, that one doesn't count. Whoa, yeah, so you've got 200.
Right, so it's 1 more round after this.
Oh, is that your last one?
Well, Courtney won.
I got
Nice
200
one.
and 50 and 20.
One each.
Let's
I won
see.
1, you won 1. Yay. So it's whoever wins this one now.
370 Courtney got, and Mum got 30.
Right, so
Well
it's,
done.
it's whoever wins this one now, yeah?
Right, let's set it up again then. Right, this is the 3rd and final round. Ready?
Whoever wins this one wins the teddies.
Go. Ooh, nice. I thought that was going to go right off the end. Yeah, both scoring well so far. Oh, too hard.
Oh!
Mum did it too. Ooh, yeah, that's okay. Mum's go, Mum's go. Oh, you're lucky, but it didn't score, did it? It's not on the scoreboard. Nice.
So that just pushed it
Yeah,
out.
yeah,
Well,
don't move on.
Mummy's last
Yeah,
one.
come on then. Whoa! So let's have a look. What have we got? Courtney's got a, what's that? So that's a 2, 4, say 500.
Yeah.
And Mum's got a 300.
So Courtney won that game.
Yeah, she did.
So if you haven't got this game, go and get it because it's a really good game, isn't
Really
it?
fun. And I get a 2
So
teddies.
you get
Yes!
teddies.
Yes, you get the 2 teddies.
There you go. There's one and there's the other.
Wait,
Hooray!
Wow.
They look really good, don't they?
Yeah, do you like them?
they're waving.
And the one, don't forget that one's got
We
way
wanted to
too.
win them.
Alright,
Really nice,
They're for
aren't they?
Halloween.
time to go now.
Yeah, let's go now. So what do you say?
Bye, YouTubers.
Bye.